What's up, everybody? I'm Nova coming at you with another one. A request to have a look at Synovus, the company that actually bought Husky. In a previous video, we were going to look at it, and then it went OTC, and I didn't like that, so I didn't do a video on it. And I just finished doing a video on three different. Where is it? Yeah. BTE, GXE, and TVE, and it accidentally, I guess I didn't disengage the locking feature. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. I'm going to see if I can not do this with Synovus. So I'm just going to babysit that lock feature and see what I'm doing wrong. Anyways, even though it's locked, if I post the link, I believe you can still click on it. So I'll probably put the link on this Synovus because they're yet another energy company, right? So we were looking at this for a while back. I think I did a video on it, and we're asked to check in on it. Potential topping effect here. So just like the other three, I think we're close to testing a pullback, but it's a healthy pullback because the APO MACD are way above the zero cross. So a cross to the downside above the zero is consolidation. A cross below the zero to the downside is probably a substantial drop. So to give you the example, you can see how when we were down here, you've got two crosses. My overlay keeps hiding the dot. Anyways, there, not sure if you can see the overlay or not. And there you can see that those doubles just kept bringing the price lower and lower until we cross the zero cross, and then it became more and more bullish, right? So that was these candles here, and that would have been an entry. And then technically the exit would have been here, so you would have profited from 583 to about 753. Not bad. And then you would start looking for entries on this green candle as we continued up. Now, compared to the other video that I did, Baytex is well below the 350 times 2, and two of the assets were very close in finding resistance. So I think the pullback would be greater up this high. So Synovus looks like it's on its way up. It's got to test the 1618, and that's probably the next resistance point. We were looking at these two price levels based on looking left as well. And you can see how the angle of resistance changes in time, right? Steeper is shorter, a little shallower is longer, and then it kind of gave up the ghost, and now it's looking for another run to another support line. So it could be that it'll come back up here. But if we grab another one, like so, you can see shorter, longer. Turns normally happen along a line or a moving average, and it's hard to tell which one it is until the cycle is done. And now you can see that we're on this channel here, and we will likely be starting a new line. So where is our next potential bounce? Probably on the 2/1. And if it gives up, it might be this guy right here. And it looks like my money is on this one because the 50 is right about there, and we're probably going to be testing the 50 for a bounce. I never did turn on the 20 in previous videos. the previous three. I'm just looking. So when you watch the other videos, we'll have to watch to see if we see the bounce here. So it could be, I don't know, it could be a double top and then testing the 50. So we may be heading for consolidation. So some ascending triangles on the menu as energy continues up well into the summer. So lots of entry points. What about squaring the range? And an arrow. So this is the support line we want. This will clean up soon, I promise. This is the range. Is it the range of resistance? I can't quite tell yet. I know it's up here, obviously, because that happened in the past year, but then we've got, I think it's this one. No. It might be that one there. So let's clear all this stuff out. And then we've got this area as well. I don't see us coming all the way down to $8, but that is definitely a major support level, right? So if we look left, where is this resistance happening? We had a turn here, and yeah, that kind of lines up. We've got a lot of noise to get through, and I think oil got punched in the face pretty hard. I might even bring this up a little higher. That kind of lines up with this intersection and the top of the GAN box. So it could be that that is the case. And if we go down here, I'm just noticing something. What happens here? Well, it could be the turn. Where are you? Right here. That might be a date of importance, end of April, for a continuation. Clone. Another support line to watch for. So now we're probably starting to see a channel form, which is this guy right here, right? And I think this might be our ultimate destination, the 350 times 2. We'll see if we can get there. Let's move this over a bit. And this may be our rollover and consolidation area before the August run. Maybe that is what's going to happen. So let's clear this out. And we'll clear that. We'll change colors. That's too bright. That's going to make somebody angry. Come on. Style. We'll do the blue as an opposing color. So we'll have to watch for the bounce, but I'll get rid of this one as well. You'll see it in the video. And I have a feeling that's where our next move is going to happen, moving into the future. All right. So that is Synovus, and I'll put the other three in the comment section. You can watch the other one that I accidentally locked. Trade safe.